Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So we'll be dividing post-market report into four segments, that is market behavior, trade opportunity, stock of the day, and market prediction. So let's start with market behavior. So as usual, we fell in hands of US market. Dow and Nasdaq was pretty bearish from 2 to 3 days, but we saw a huge short covering yesterday. So it was a 500 point short covering in Dow. Same happened in Nasdaq as well. A huge short covering started. Nifty opened with a huge gap up actually from yesterday's close. So it was around 180, 160 points, 170 point gap up. So one thing what we observed is it was almost the same position where it took reversal yesterday. So as you can see, even today it reversed at the exact position. So it's around 17,000. So the line is little cross, but it's almost like it's a 1725, 17,000. So it took reversal at the same position even today. So it was a huge sell off once again. It reached yesterday's low as well, Nifty, and it somewhat sustained. It did not fall further from yesterday's low. It somewhat sustained only to see a zigzag movement. This is because of the tomorrow's RBI policy. So we have a RBI policy tomorrow at 10:30. I don't know the exact time. So people are not aware of the exact direction of our market. So we could see a sideways movement in last 1 hour. Same happened in Bank Nifty as well. I'll show you. So for more than 1 hour, we could see a sideways movement in Bank Nifty as well. And at last half an hour, it was almost in the same position. So this is ahead of tomorrow's RBI policy. So same thing happened in Bank Nifty as well. It opened with a gap up. It was around 450 points. So once again we fell in a trap actually. It went back to yesterday's low, and it sustained for some time, and we could see a sideways movement after that. So it's a volatile market ahead of our RBI policy. So let's wait and watch what happens tomorrow. Now let's move to trade opportunity. So I had uploaded a video on YouTube Shorts of live analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I had stated that once Nifty and Bank Nifty breaks the CPR, you can go short and profit stop. That is, profit booking will be yesterday's low. So same thing happened both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you would have watched that video, you could have taken a trade here in any of the index, either on either Nifty or Bank Nifty. So once it opened with a huge gap up, so it came back to CPR, consolidated for some time. You can see in both the thing, but it failed to reverse from here and it broke the CPR and it went to yesterday's low. In both the index, it was almost a similar move both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So you could have short anything here, both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and you could have taken a profit at day's low. I would have showed yesterday that I'm holding a put spread. So this was the put spread actually. So it ended up in 6,800. And one more, my strategy, yeah, it ended in 2,000 on Nifty and 6,800 for in Bank Nifty for this expiry. So this was the two trades for this expiry. Let us move to stock of the day. So stock of the day is Asian Paints. After a huge rally yesterday, we can see it ended below yesterday's low. So opportunity was somewhere here. I will show you. It was in 3 minutes candle. So once if Asian Paint broke first candle low, I took the position. So it was a 1:2 ratio trade. So as you can see, uh, it was a comfortable trade actually. We could not see any reversal. It was a complete downside. Stop loss was around 55 at first candle day high, and we could see 1:2 ratio easy trade in this Asian paints. So it was a simple trade. Let us move to market prediction now. Tomorrow we have a RBI policy, so it will be based on interest rate hike. It is estimated around 50 basis point. So market will react wildly for tomorrow, and tomorrow it's Friday. Usually Friday market reacts violently. On top of that, we have a RBI policy, so be careful with the trades. So we can see from 2 days it's range bound actually, but the thing is range is quite big. So this is Nifty, and same thing in Bank Nifty as well. It's almost yes, range bound, but the thing is range is quite big. You can see, so it's around 700 points. So 700 points in, swing in 2 days is it's a huge range actually. So what we can expect is so scenario is yet to change. Even though we saw a short covering yesterday in US market, it was just a technical retracement. The scenario is still bearish, and as you would have seen, it's a range bound. Even though it opened with a gap up, it's not withstanding. And one more thing is we are seeing a Virgin CPR resistance in Bank Nifty. So and the in Nifty 17,000 has become a good resistance for near future. So this both you should be keeping in mind. So this has a Virgin CPR some resistance, and here 17,000 is a good resistance as of now. And let's check with open interest. Even open interest suggests the same. 17,000 as the huge void for this is for next expiry. And lower side we could not see any big moves. So it's 17,000. Let's check in Bank Nifty. 38,000 as a good OI. And one more thing, what we are seeing is today's increase in OI. That is, let's check this strike. 37,700. So here we can see a good build in OI. So they are expecting Bank Nifty to fall tomorrow after the RBI policy. So let's wait and watch. Dow is almost yeah 200 points down from yesterday. So it even further. I mean, it went further down. It was around 300 points down. So slight recovery we can see. So it's again it is a 200 point fall from yesterday's high. And Nasdaq is also down. It's down around 147. So even European market. Let's check with the European market. So you can see Germany, everything is negative. So even European market is negative. So we can expect a gap down tomorrow. So and it is totally based on US market. Even yesterday we thought of a gap down opening, that is today, but US market had other choices. So based on that, so everything is negative as of now. So whichever market is open, everything is negative. So let's wait and watch. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like the video. So please like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you guys.